Worried about letting your kids explore the world of Minecraft safely? We've got you covered. First, head over to the official Minecraft website, Minecraft.net. This ensures you're getting a legitimate copy and avoids any potential scams. Click on Get Minecraft to begin the purchase process. Next, you'll need a Microsoft account if you don't have one. Create one now if you already have a Microsoft account. Sign in using your email and password. This is crucial for setting up parental controls later. Now, let's set up parental controls. Go to your Microsoft account dashboard and find the family settings here. You can add your child's account to your family group. This gives you access to manage their online activity. Through the Microsoft Family Safety app, you can set screen time limits, block inappropriate content, and even monitor their activity reports. This helps ensure your child has a safe and balanced experience within Minecraft and other online games. Complete the Minecraft purchase using your payment method, ensuring the game is added directly to your child's Microsoft account within your family group. Now, you can breathe easy knowing your little one will have a safer Minecraft experience by using the Family Safety app.